How to change date of birth in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the date of birth of yourself on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After that, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom, just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find my profile option just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find edit at the top right corner just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find date of birth just right here. Now select it. Now simply add your date of birth just like this. And tap on to done. And now you can see your date of birth has been added. Now to change it, simply tap it. Now to change it, simply tap it once again and simply tap on to edit birthday and simply change it. And that's it. This is how you can change your date of birth in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.